Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies using the Food Lab method. This approach treats your kitchen as a scientific workspace, focusing on precision and control. We will delve into understanding the exact role of each ingredient and every step in the baking process. By adopting this systematic method, you can consistently achieve perfect cookies and truly master the art of baking. It's about turning guesswork into guaranteed deliciousness. Achieving consistent cookie results begins with precise ingredient measurement. Instead of volume, always weigh your dry ingredients like flour and sugar using a digital scale. This ensures accuracy within 1 or 2 grams. Also, pay close attention to ingredient temperatures, such as butter at 67 degrees Fahrenheit or eggs at room temperature. High-quality, fresh ingredients are fundamental for superior flavor and texture in every batch. The baking environment is crucial for cookie success. Always preheat your oven for at least 20 minutes to ensure it reaches and maintains the exact temperature. For example, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. An oven thermometer is essential to verify the actual temperature, as oven dials can be inaccurate by up to 50 degrees. Baking on parchment-lined sheets promotes even heat distribution, leading to uniformly baked cookies every time. The final step in your cookie food lab is analysis and experimentation. Keep meticulous notes on each batch, documenting ingredient amounts, baking times, and observations. To understand cause and effect, systematically change only one variable at a time, such as reducing sugar by 10 grams or increasing flour by 5 grams. Evaluate the resulting texture, spread, and flavor to continuously refine and perfect your signature cookie recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.